Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.
As humans, we strive to connect with one another. We gather as friends to share experiences and make memories. We travel to awe-inspiring places to find inspiration. No matter what we're doing, we're always documenting and sharing those experiences. It's in our nature. Whether it's on social media or with friends in person, you now have the opportunity to capture aerial shots and share like never before. Introducing Breeze, the flying camera designed with you in mind. Both convenient and compact, Breeze is controlled by your iOS or Android device with the Breeze Cam app and weighs just under 1 pound. Capture aerial photos and video of your daily adventures effortlessly and do it in stunning 4K ultra high definition. Simply take Breeze out of the box and let it fly. Use one of the flying camera's 5 automated flight modes to capture unique shots. Use selfie and orbit modes to take dramatic aerial group photos and video, or use follow me mode to grab compelling aerial footage of your action sports adventures. The shots that previously would have required a skilled pilot are now accessible with a click of a button. Live in the moment and let Breeze do the work. Once you've captured photos and videos with Breeze, download and share them via your favorite social media quickly and easily. You can write a personalized message and share instantly, all without leaving the app interface. It's that simple. At Unique, we value your safety. Safety is a top priority in the design of every product we make, including Breeze. Breeze has optical flow and infrared positioning sensors that allow it to hold its position both indoors and outdoors, making it safe for any occasion. You can fly with ease knowing that Breeze won't drift, no matter your environment. Additionally, there is an auto landing and auto return to home feature. No flight experience is necessary. Whether you're adventuring with friends, out solo, or spending time with family, capturing the moments worth remembering are easier than ever. With endless possibilities, what will you capture?
Hello, my name is Marie. Today, I'll show you how to fly the Typhoon G, quickly and easily. The Typhoon G comes shipped in a practical transport box that is easy to open and stow away. The Typhoon Copter is located directly underneath the lid. The camera gimbal is already plugged in and ready for use. The copter is ready to take off with only 4 easy steps. In the enclosed manual, you'll find all the step-by-step information. Step 1. The gimbal protector can be pulled off to the rear. Connect the camera cables to the copter and push your GoPro into the gimbal. Additionally, connect the antenna on the downside. Step 2. Twist on the propellers. You can use the white handle in the accessories box to tighten the propellers. Tip: there are 2 propellers, A and B, which are screwed onto the A and B wings in different directions. Step 3. Insert the LiPo batteries provided. Close the compartment, and you're done. Step 4. Switch on the copter on the remote control. Wait a few seconds for the camera to align before allowing the copter to take off. Please note, look for a safe place for takeoff and flying. But there's more to the Typhoon than that. The included Steady Grip with the GoPro is perfect for steady and action-packed handheld footage. To use the Steady Grip, unplug the cables and remove the camera gimbal from the copter mount and simply attach it to the Steady Grip until you hear a clicking sound. Plug in the cable and your Steady Grip is ready for action. Switch on the Steady Grip at the bottom of the handle and wait a few seconds for it to adjust before you start. It's that easy. Have fun with the Typhoon G. Tell your story.
made with a special facing down rotor, 4S motor, and 8.5-inch self-tightening propellers. It also has an integrated smart battery to automatically protect itself from being overcharged while maximizing the flight duration. We also have created 2 new color schemes and even redesigned the landing gear, making it safer and easier to take off and land the drone. We'd love to introduce the first Ghost 4K camera. Resolution of this new camera is 4 times higher than the 1080p camera. It works extremely well with our 3-axis gimbal, which makes aero footage super steady even if you are flying in strong winds. All of these enable anyone to capture their live moments. The Ghost 2.0 is a platform, and we have 4 options for you to purchase. Choose the one you want, come and fly with us.